Good morning and assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department of Milestone College. Welcome you all to today's business organization and management class. Hope that everybody are ready for the class. Today's chapter name is chapter 9, Assistance for Furtherance of Business. Today's discussion points. First of all, my dear students, what is the definition of assistance for the furtherance of business? Number 2, types of assistance. There are different types of assistance. Today I will discuss about these. Next, sources of assistance. Assistance provided by Midas, Proshika, BRAC, BSCIC, SME Foundation, NGOs, commercial banks, BGMEA, EPB. Almost we are familiar about these topics. There are non-government organizations like Midas, BRAC, Proshika, NGOs, and these are the non-government organizations. So today I'll discuss how they assist for the business organization. So my dear student, now I am going to discuss about the definition of assistance for the development of business. The services or assistance that is needed for different government and non-government organization for developing a business is called assistance for furtherance of business. Through these government and non-government organization, always they providing different types of assistance so that different people they can form, operate and control or sustain their business. Types of assistance. Let's talk about types of assistance. On the basis of nature, assistance are divided into 3 types. They are number 1, motivational assistance, number 2, supporting assistance, number 3, sustaining assistance. Now I am going to discuss about motivational assistance. What do you mean by motivational assistance? Motivation is very necessary to form and operate or conduct a business. The services that are required to make a potential entrepreneur interested in building or formation business to provide him with necessary information are called motivating assistance. There are some concerned organizations. What are they? Women Affairs Directorate, BCSRI. What do you mean? What is the full form of this? That means Bangladesh Council of Science and Industrial Research. BITAO, Bangladesh Industrial Technical Assistance Organization. Last one is Youth Development. Number 2, supporting assistance. What do you mean by supporting assistance? The services that are required for building the business practical after being interested. That means after getting the motivation to start a business is called supporting assistance. There are some concerned organizations. They are provide the supporting assistance. For example, BSCIC, Bangladesh Small and Cottage Industries Corporation, Basic Bank Limited, Employment Bank Limited, various NGOs, Commercial Bank. There are some other organization, concerned organization like government license authorities, government service provider organizations like water, electricity, gas, etc. Number 3, sustaining or preserving assistance. Let's talk about sustaining assistance. The type of services needed for sustaining the enthusiasm of the entrepreneur to conduct the business is called sustaining assistance. Concerned organization, that means what type of organization they providing services for the business. BSTI, National Board of Revenue, BEPB. Then BPC, Bangladesh Porjoton Corporation. BPC means Bangladesh Porjoton Corporation. FBCCI, Directorate of Patent, Design and Trademark, etc. So this is the types of services that are provided for the development of the business. Now I am going to discuss about sources of assistance. There are some sources of assistance. SME is most important sources of. What is the full form of SME? SME means small and medium enterprise. The special foundation set up by Bangladesh government with the assistance of donor countries or organization to develop the small and medium business firms is called SME Foundation. Dear student, hope that already you know what is a small business firm and what is medium business firm. Let's see, there is a image about SME Foundation. Now I am going to discuss about service provided by Midas. What do you mean by Midas? A very popular assistance provided service is called Midas. And what's the full form of Midas? First of all, you know what is Midas. Micro Industries Development Assistance Service. This is the full form of Midas. Micro Industries Development Assistance Service is a private development organization, that means NGO, that provides financial, technical and management related assistance. So you have to memorize, there are three important information Midas provide about financial, technical and management related assistance to the entrepreneur of the small and medium enterprise. Midas started to work in 1982 as a non-government organization. In which year Midas started? 1982. Almost every year question come from these topics. When Midas start, and it is government organization or non-government organization. Some important activities of Midas. Now let's talk about the important activities of Midas are extending loan facilities to small and medium industries, providing training, information and advice to the national and multinational organizations, to increase the network of cooperation among entrepreneurs, assisting in marketing in goods produced by small and medium enterprise to national and international market. Now I am going to discuss about Proshika. What do you mean by Proshika? Proshika is one of the greatest NGOs in Bangladesh. This is also very famous and popular NGOs. Proshika has been contributing a lot in the development of small industries in Bangladesh. So dear student, one thing you should remember, Proshika always contributing for the small industries. On the other hand, Midas contributing for the small and medium enterprise. The entrepreneurs who have come forward for the jobs, Proshika has provided them loan and training. So, which one Proshika provided for loan and training? Let's see. There is a Proshika institutions. It is situated in Manikganj. Now have a look about this. Let's talk about activities of Proshika. What are the major activities of Proshika? Proshika has been introducing many new professions related to agro industries. That means Proshika working with agro industries. Weaving, silk producing, handicrafts, cattle raising, bee having, plant growing. Providing loans and training to entrepreneurs. Proshika also providing loan and training like Midas. Now I am going to discuss about BRAC. What is the full form of BRAC? Bangladesh Rural Advancement Committee. BRAC is the largest NGO in Bangladesh as well as all over the world. After the independence, the organization was established in 1972 under the leadership of Mr. Fazle Hassan Abed. At present, it is working in all districts in Bangladesh for poverty alleviation and women empowerment. The activities that are performed by BRAC are given below. Number 1, activities to develop small industries, development of associate organization, developing of manufacturing unit. Dear student, almost every year question come from this chapter, especially from BRAC. What is the full form of BRAC? How many NGOs are in Bangladesh? Who is the owner of BRAC? When was BRAC established? This is knowledge-based question. Hope that everybody are clear about BRAC and you have to read about this. Thank you all.